it's just really nice to have, especially I could imagine in other countries. You have the settings, you have messaging, APK installer, so you can install other apps on this. AutoKit is for the wireless CarPlay, and I believe also the Android Auto Wireless. Contacts, just your normal Android stuff. The controls are home, back. You can kind of see all your different processes running just like Android and swipe them out of the way. And you can also do some voice commands. You can do a split screen, which is really cool. So say you had two apps open, you can split them. There's also VLC media player, so you could potentially load a whole movie on here. I think this has 32 or 64 gigs of built-in memory, so that's a lot of storage space. It has Google Assistant. It pretty much just has a bunch of stuff. You can install more stuff. I'm primarily going to use it for YouTube and Netflix, but just something really cool to have. I don't have to plug my phone in anymore and just have the battery at 100% all the time, which is not good for it. Now I can just have it all wireless, ready to go. Boom, you know, we're cruising along. We have wireless CarPlay and it's awesome. This rocket button is to clear all processes, and then the car takes you back to your home screen of your vehicle. So if you have a CarPlay system, this will plug and play. You get all these extra features and everything like that, and it works great. So like I said, this will work with any vehicle that has CarPlay from the factory. It's just a really cool way to expand what your multimedia system can do in the car. Big shout out to BINIZE for letting me review this. If you'd like to get one of these systems, click the link in the description below. I know I'm going to be using it every day for the wireless CarPlay and other abilities. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more content. Thank you for watching Marty Motoring, and as always, keep those wheels turning. So long.